Hey guys, I have the new dashcam from AutoVox company. It has front and 3 cameras, touchscreen, Full HD video resolution, Wi-Fi support, GPS tracking and many other features. The name of this dashcam is AutoVox AD2. By the way, we have already tested mirror dashcam and solar wireless backup camera from this brand. I really liked that products, and I hope that the new AutoVox AD2 will also be good. Let's find out. Before we start, I want to ask you to hit the like button under this video. You can also subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. We posted new videos every day. So the box of the new AutoVox dashcam looks very simple. There is only dashcam image and model name on the front side. There are no features or specifications on the back or side faces. Inside the box you can find 25% off coupon code for the next order, user manual and 2 electrostatic films. Then there is dashcam itself. By the way, it consists of 2 parts. We will talk about design a little later. Also, I found backup camera with long cable, car charger with USB Type-C port for dashcam, trim pry tool and 5 cable fixes. There are also 2 double-sided adhesive in the package. So there's everything you need in the box to install the dashcam and use it. As I already said, AutoVox AD2 dashcam consists of 2 devices, dashcam itself with touchscreen and a GPS mount. There is USB Type-C port in GPS mount and another micro USB charging port in dashcam. You can also find microSD memory card slot and reset button here. Then we can see indicator light, microphone and power button. On the front there is camera lens and speaker. On the back there is only 3-inch touchscreen. You should also know about this connector on the top. This is backup camera connector. Backup camera has camera lens, a double-sided adhesive and built-in power cable. As you can see, backup camera rotates at 180 degrees up and down. I think that's all about design. Now let's turn the dashcam on and look at its functions. So the screen of this dashcam is touch sensitive and you can tap on the display. There are 5 icons on the bottom, such as video record, microphone on-off, Wi-Fi, playback and settings. You can also see recording time, date and time, microphone and battery level on the top. There are 2 settings menu available on dashcam, recording settings and system settings. In the recording settings, you can choose video resolution from Full HD to HD. Loop recording off 1 minute, 3 minutes or 5 minutes. G-sensor off, low, medium or high. And date stamp on/off. In the system settings you can choose a screensaver time from 1 minute to 5 minutes. Return default settings. Check a software version. Choose a language. Set a time. Choose a frame rate. Activate or deactivate parking mode. Format memory card. Select a time zone and turn on/off beep sound. That's all the settings and functions of AutoVox AD2 dashcam. If you want, you can connect the dashcam to smartphone and set up the camera using mobile device. Let's do this. First, you need to download RoadCam application in Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You can also scan QR code in user manual to install the app. After that, take dashcam and tap on Wi-Fi icon at the bottom of the screen. You will see Wi-Fi network name and password from it. Connect to this Wi-Fi on smartphone. Go back to RoadCam app and you will see that dashcam is connected. So in the app you can see live video from the camera, start video recording, and watch the footage. You can also take a photo using shutter button at the bottom. The settings are about the same as on dashcam itself. You can change Wi-Fi password, turn on/off sound recording, time in watermark, choose a cyclic recording time, impact sensitivity, video resolution, exposure, and format memory card. You know, the application is not necessary because dashcam has a touchscreen. You can set up the dashcam and watch the footage on device itself. Installing the dashcam is very easy. You don't need any tools, only that is supplied in the box. However, you need to buy a memory card from 64 to 128 gigs. Now let me show you some video samples. By the way, you can record the video on AutoVox AD2 dashcam in 2 ways. Manually, when you press the button on the screen to start recording, and parking or accident mode. When dashcam detects a collision, it records 15 seconds of video. There is a special G-sensor in dashcam for that. Also, AutoVox AD2 dashcam has built-in GPS. then your dashcam records the route and you can play back it later. I have already said that this dashcam has Full HD video resolution. Also, it has 127 degrees front camera viewing angle and 115 degrees rear camera viewing angle. By the way, I forgot to tell you the price of AutoVox AD2 dashcam. It is only $150. I think it is a very good device because it is not only dashcam, but also backup camera. The other features of AutoVox AD2 are touchscreen, built-in GPS, G-sensor and Wi-Fi support. In addition, this dashcam is very easy to install. This is really important. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.